Just when I think we reach peak idiocracy, something like this gets brought to my attention. Shout out to Red Band Dan Gaming and RGT85. Let's just take a look, shall we? I couldn't say it better myself, RGT. Nuke it. Amouranth is collabing with a beer company to brew a new flavor using her V yeast. And I looked into this company. She's not the only one. This is what the company does. Let's take a look at the article via Deserto, one of the highest quality news sites out there. Amouranth reveals beer company wants her smear to brew new flavor. Amouranth has taken the internet by storm with her hot tub streams, shock investments, and partnerships to sell everything from jars to bathwater. Grifter. Called grifting, guys. And if you're one of the many people that actually bought this stuff, seriously, you need help. But she has a new product that could put those to shame. In an exclusive interview with Deserto, the fan's model was asked about how she'd previously teased a new drink following the success of Logan Paul and KSI's Prime. Completely different category of beverage, by the way. I wouldn't drink that piss water either, but and spilled some details about upcoming beverage. Polish brewery, the Order of Yoni, wants to use her for new beer. She's surprisingly excited about the opportunity. Zaragoza confirms that she'll be working with the company to produce this beer, and they have a history of using models' smears for quite a few years now. Quote, I'm working with a beverage company. It's not my own. I'm still doing that project. There's a beer company. They're European. They want to send my V yeast, the streamer revealed. Basically like pea smear myself. Man, this woman's IQ is through the roof. They want to make beer using my V yeast. Same profile, I guess. The Order of Yoni. This is really hard for me to make it through this without having very strong opinions on this whole idea of everything. The Order of Yoni, however, say they use lactobacillus, not yeast. Oh, that makes it better. I'm no scientist, but, they're still going in there. The genealogist collects a V smear from the models. These smears are taken to a laboratory where bacteria are isolated, cleaned, then analyzed and multiplied. At the end of the process, the bacteria is used to produce a pure lactic acid that goes into Yoni beer. Wonderful. What does Amouranth say? It's hilarious. People will buy it for sure. I don't know if they'll actually drink it. I mean, they'll probably drink it. She laughed. You don't care. And you're a grifter. Amouranth isn't the only influence to get the alcohol beverage game. Back in 2022, Dr. Disrespect unveiled his first batch of Black Steel Bourbon, which is apparently what I've seen pretty averagely good. Not the highest quality, but for the price, actually good. I think they were going for $60 or $70 a bottle. He took a lot of time to get it. I forgot what they call them. These masters of whiskeys and bourbons, but it took a while to get the flavor palette done. Completely different than grabbing somebody's bodily fluids and putting them into a beverage. What? And there's article. The company's known for doing this. I'm only going to really touch up on this off of an article on Mashable from the 2016. Take a sweet, sour sip of world's first V beer. Prank or no prank, it's good. By Heather Dockeray. You're part of the problem. This is ridiculous, guys. I mean, I guess people do anything to make money, right? So Onion-esque type of article. There's seemingly no end to quirky artisanal craft beers, but now brewers have finally put our patience to the test. Last week, a company known as Orders of Yoni announced that they had a new creation in the works, beer made entirely of yeast of women's V, featuring a sour aftertaste and a woman's allure. Wow, great marketing term. The beer promises to bring happiness and joy to weirdos everywhere. Yeah. This is the actual website. I went to the website. They have what they call goddesses. I'm seeing 3 of them here. Hey, you know what? Gosh, I want to say make your money. I really, really do. I really want to give props to these girls. Make your money. But moving on. Process. Listen to this marketing mumbo BS. It's hilarious. Much time is devoted in seeking such a woman who possesses all the desired instincts, a goddess, which we wanted to frame in our bottle. We have discovered a process of transmission of her essence, her femininity, her instincts. Oh my God, dude. Oh, try selling this at a trade show, reading this crap. Her femininity, her instincts, by the isolation of lactic acid bacteria from her yoni. Oh, wow. The crucial part of the process is to ensure the safety of our product. During isolation, the material is examined for the absence of other bacteria and viruses. This is too much. This is too much. This is ridiculous. I still don't believe that this is an actual thing. I don't even want to finish reading that. Production. Once the bacteria is isolated, clean, and identified as it is then multiplied to the quantity that allows for the preparation of culture starter kits. Ooh, wow. That are used in the brewery during beer fermentation. The Yoni lactobacillus is used in the production of a limited edition sour ales, Lampics, flanker ales, and sour stouts. Why? Why, as part of the human condition that we live in, does this type of garbage even have to exist? Guess what? There's a lot of beers out there, ladies and gentlemen, that are really, really good, that don't contain culture kits from the human body in it. So, hey, you know what? They'll probably sell this out in a heartbeat. And if you're one of the weirdos buying this, man, you need help. I don't even waste your money and buy it as a joke. You're going to be at the party. The guy's going to be like, yeah, I bought some of Amouranth's beer as a joke. It's funny. You want to try it? No, bro. No. I don't. But you sip on that joke of a beer that you bought for jokes. I don't know. Gosh, I'm trying to tone this down as much as possible and not. That's it. That's all I got to say. That's all I got to say about this. You know what, ladies and gentlemen? That's some news. I appreciate you guys. I'll talk to you soon.